Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a Dollar Tree haul, but the first item I'm going to show you, well technically the second, because I did get this at the Dollar Tree, is something I picked up at the Target spot. I had to go get some leggings for Diamond's fall renewal for Saturday, and of course I went through the Dollar Hotspot or whatever they call it, and I found these cute little trucks. There's 4 in a package for $1. They're like little resin pieces. I bought the last 3 they had in the store. So I got 3 of them. Them are at Target. They had candy canes, but I didn't need the candy canes. So I got the trucks. That's from Target. Now, on the Dollar Tree. I was able to find one of these placemats with the truck. It says Farm Fresh Christmas trees, and it's got the truck, firm, spruce, and pine on the bottom. And if I can't find 3 more between now, I'll make this into a pillow. So I got that. Then Diamond and I picked these up. We got some red ones. A couple red she bought. Oh, just about. Okay, I get it. Glitter, dull, shiny. Red. And then the silver, dull, glitter, and shiny. Got them. Them are for a project, or you will see on my channel here shortly. For Diamond, she asked me to do a project, so she buys me the supplies. And I thought these were cute, and I'm kicking myself in the butt because I wish I would have bought the brown ones, the black ones. When I went to 2 Dollar Trees, because I went to the big one, the first one, the Ashwaubenon one, and then Diamond had to go to Men's Warehouse, and that's where my new Dollar Tree is, right next door. So I went in, and they had these in the black, and I wish I would have grabbed them now. But they're the little top hats. I grabbed the red ones on the first Dollar Tree, and I'm like, oh, I wish I would have grabbed the black ones, and I didn't. So I got 2 of them. Oh, before I forget, because if y'all were watching my live, I was down to 1 glue stick. That's it. 1 glue stick. I filled up my box. I bought 7 packs of glue sticks, guys. Plus I'm ordering some. So that'll get me by. So, picked me up some Christmas cups. I don't know why I keep buying these, because Diamond's like, why do you buy those, Mom? You never use them. But they're so cute. It's the new truck. It's a new design. So I call this the soda one, and I call this the hot cocoa one. So I got them. And then I got some sequin ribbon. I bought this from Bima. I will use it, but I thought it was narrower. Okay, because I thought it was like this size. Not realizing it was like a belly band size. I'll use it. It's just, I was like, oh, that's not what I thought it was. So, today when I was at Dollar Tree, picked up 2 more. This is all I had left from last year. So, picked up 2 more of the red, 2 more of the green, and I picked up 2 more of these. I love this. That's what this one is. That's all I got left, so I picked up 2 more of that. I use that a lot during my Christmas season. So, put that there. If you guys could only see my table. Alright. I picked up 2 bags of cotton balls. Need them for a project. Came across these. I thought these were cute. These are for a project I'm going to do online. I'll show you. And they are the little tails. I already did one. That aside, and then I picked up the little felt ornament. You get 9 per pack. I bought 2 packs of them, and then the little Santa faces, you get 4 in there, so I picked up 2 packs of that. And then, oh, also I got Diamond ready to put them away for me. Some puffy balls, puff balls. Picked up 2 packs of those. I wish I'd have picked up more of those because I already used some. Yeah, but I wasn't, oh well. Then, I was so stoked that I came across these, because as soon as I saw these, I knew I wanted them. I got the sleds. This one was broke, so I'm just going to fix it with a popsicle stick, and you'll never even know. So I wish I could have got them all the same, but they only had 2 of each. So I got 2 of this one. 2 is that one. And 2 of this one. And I wish I had 2 more in it, because that would mean me is Xavier one and his girlfriend one, and me and Scott one for our tree. So maybe if I go to another Dollar Tree, I have to pick up 4 more. But I'm going to be painting these, and I'm going to put like Diamond's name and a year, because these are going to be Diamond and Sosalia, Coda and Sam, and Allie and Riley. So they'll be different, but I will be doing them some morning and alive. Oh, look at that. It's coming right off there. Okay, I'll fix it. So I'll be painting these, and that will be their ornament. I always make them a homemade ornament every year for Christmas. So this is this year's ornaments. Oh, I knew there was something else. I also picked me up some more of the bows. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Actually, I have a lot more, but I can't show you because I'm in a Christmas exchange, and I can't share it. Let's put it this way. I spent $75 today at Dollar Tree. Yeah. So, I will talk to y'all later. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're all having a wonderful Thursday night. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye!